In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create follow-up tasks when logging activities on records in HubSpot. Whether you're making notes after a meeting, sending an email, or simply logging a call, follow-up tasks can be incredibly beneficial for keeping track of next steps and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Let's dive in, starting with how you can do this easily on the desktop web app. First, make sure you're navigating to a record. This could be a contact, a deal, a company, or even a ticket. These records are the core hubs where all your interactions reside. Once you're in the record of your choice, you'll want to log an activity. To do this, look for the option to log a call, an email, or a meeting. Alternatively, if it's just a quick thought or reminder, you might choose to select Note. The goal here is to have a clear record of your interactions and thoughts associated with this particular entry. Now here comes the crucial bit. At the very bottom of the activity window, you'll find a checkbox with the label Create a Task to Follow Up. Make sure you tick this box. This simple action ensures a follow-up task is created that ties directly back to the activity you're logging, making it much easier to stay organized. Once you've checked that box, you'll need to choose a due date. There's a drop-down menu that offers you several options. Picking the right due date is important as it keeps your timeline realistic and your tasks manageable. After you've set your due date, you can go ahead and complete your entry by clicking Log Activity, Send, or Save Note, depending on the nature of the activity you're working with. And just like that, the follow-up task is created and automatically associated with the record. This automation cuts down the time and effort needed to manually keep track of what comes next. But what if you're looking to elevate your process with more automation? If you're on the professional tier or higher in HubSpot, you can streamline follow-up tasks even further using workflows, a powerful feature to automate repetitive tasks based on certain triggers. To set this up, start by navigating to automation and then to workflows. From here, you'll choose what type of workflow you want. Most commonly, you'd opt for a contact-based workflow. Next, you'll set an enrollment trigger. This could be something like the completion of a call, a new form submission, or even a change in the deal stage. After defining your trigger, add an action to the workflow. Create task. Fill in the details, such as the title, due date, type, and assignee, plus any notes you might need. Finally, save and activate your workflow. Now, whenever that specific trigger occurs, tasks are generated automatically, ensuring your follow-ups are always timely and on point. With these steps seamlessly integrating into your HubSpot routine, you'll not only become more effective, but also more efficient in managing your valuable interactions and commitments.